Hi, welcome to Our Family Bee.
I'm Brandon.
I'm Brigitte.
And today we are doing a 1-month keto update.
So we're going to share about what's been happening in our bodies, if we've cheated, and also what products that we have found that have been tried and true in helping us.
Let's go. How have you been doing?
So, good and not good. I know in the beginning that I had to eat more, and I definitely wasn't. Because I'm still nursing Brielle and pumping at work, I need more.
Yeah.
And I wasn't getting enough. So after the first week, I think I started adding in some more vegetables for more healthy carbs, but it was hard.
Yeah. I was doing well. I was down like 7 pounds total. I'm now back to like down 2 or 3 pounds because we went on vacation. And not only did we go on vacation, and we were really trying hard actually. The first day, we were happy and healthy.
Yeah.
And we were doing well. And then either something she ate or some horrible virus demon got a hold of her, and she had the food poisoning or the stomach bug or something that sent her to nausea town.
In the bathroom.
Yes, it was not good.
Yeah, so while we're away, that just compounded it because we didn't have food readily available. So I wanted to eat something that would settle my stomach. If I even ate at all, I think I didn't eat for 24 hours really. And so I had Gatorade because I was trying to keep something down and water just wasn't cutting it. So it just was not a good combination of everything. So we definitely
saltine
cheated there.
crackers.
Yeah, I had crackers and
chips. Pizza after we got home. Yeah, it wasn't good. But like, it's the stuff that's easy, and I think that the thing that messes up, and we're not trying to diet to lose weight, right? Like, well, I am, she's not. But I think the thing that messes up people who want to eat in a way they believe to be healthy is when they screw it up and they say, well, I messed up, so I'm just going to keep on messing up. That's the wrong thinking, because it's not 1 or even 2, maybe even 3 times it's going to throw you off. It's when you make it a habit, when you get rid of the lifestyle change that you've had. So it's getting back on the wagon and keeping on. And there are some things that have been helpful. So I'm not into products and like just eating food, but like there are some things that make it a little easier. So if you're trying to do keto too, here are some things we found to be super helpful. The first one, I was like suspicious, but Keto Vitals electrolyte powder is awesome.
We have mango and the lemonade. Both flavors are very good. And I have it usually around like 2, 3 o'clock when I would normally want a little snack, or I have it with my afternoon snack because I need, more carbs than you. And you would have it at night.
Yeah, it's like having a soda or whatever at night. So
we would mix it with sparkling water. Yeah,
like a La Croix or like a bubbly or Perrier Pellegrino, something like that, some kind of sparkling flavored water or not flavored, because they actually taste pretty good on their own. And the 2 flavors we have, there's another flavor we haven't tried, but we'll link the mango and the lemonade down below, because these, wait, can you see it? I don't know if you can see this. These are actually really good. So get these. It's a potassium, magnesium, and calcium? Sodium. And it's surprising like how much it picks you up, because if you're not being really intense about all the things you're eating on keto, you're gonna be missing some of this stuff. So this really just helps kind of bring back a little pep in your step when you're struggling through like keto flu at the end of the day. So love these. Also,
I got this for when I have hot coffee. It's the MCT oil. Got it on Amazon. We'll link it down below. It's really good with some ghee or just like Kerrygold butter, and I blend it up in our NutriBullet.
Yes.
And that's pretty yummy for the morning.
Along with things you add to stuff. Oh, we use this quite a bit, don't you?
Yeah, so I use coconut flour and almond flour, which we got this at Costco, and this, my mom gave it to us actually. So we've been making some baked goods, which also Benjamin will eat, and so that's pretty good. I made these cinnamon morning muffins from the Keto Connect book. We'll also link it down below. You can also check out their channel.
Oh yeah, those are good. They're like moist and kind of sweet tasting.
Benjamin devoured them, let me tell you. And I made a double batch.
Just Benjamin.
Yeah, we all did. But I made a double batch and put half in the freezer, and they have defrosted in like been really good.
Mm-hmm.
So I have been using that to bake some stuff because, you know, we still want that bread-like texture.
Yeah.
And then also...
Oh, yeah. Quest bars. Not gonna lie, it's kind of like the chewy, desserty thing that you want to have. And they actually are pretty keto. Like this one, which you found, chocolate sprinkled donut.
Yeah.
It says 23 grams carbs, but 14 grams is fiber. And 5 grams of erythritol, which is a sugar alcohol, so that's 19 from 23. The whole thing only has 4 grams of carbs. So we'll link these below as well. You can get these at Amazon?
Amazon, I got these at Target.
Yeah.
Also, just like a good snack, or if you need a little extra, you know.
You just hungry? Eat that. You probably won't mess anything up.
Yeah. And then coconut manna.
Coconut butter.
I swear, well, yeah, okay. Coconut butter.
Word.
I swear it tastes like peanut butter.
It doesn't, well, I mean, it's got the right texture. Anyway, I just straight up take a spoon out of the thing and eat it. That's what I do.
When you want something sweet that doesn't have sweetener, that's filling, this is a good fatty alternative.
It won't mess you up. It's so good.
Yeah.
So strongly recommend that. We'll link that also below. There are things that you were looking forward to trying, and if you guys don't know who these guys are, Matt and Mega, and we'll link that below as well, along with a link to their cookbook, which has actually been helpful for us.
Yeah, so I said that we were going to be going mostly by the meal plan, which we kind of are. There's some stuff that I traded out or made it easier to bring and pre-pack and stuff for work. But we've been trying a lot of the recipes and it's really good. I would definitely recommend it. It's a good resource for sure, even on lots of other things like that you'll encounter when you start keto. So highly recommend this. We still have to meal plan today and tomorrow for our next week since we just got back from vacation. So we got to do that.
Yeah.
And we're going to get back on the train.
It'll be good. And my accountability is I have to keep updating on these updates about the weight loss and how we're doing. But I feel, man, after eating the carbs and stuff, I don't feel as good.
Yeah.
I felt better when we were really on it.
Yeah, and you know, we're going to have to be careful because we're moving in a few weeks. It's going to be stressful and...
There'll have to be a pizza for moving because that's the thing. If you're trying keto, comment below what is your biggest struggle and how do you get through it? How long you've been going. Let us know about your journey as we're letting you know about ours.
And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at OurFamilyBeeSocial and check out our blog, OurFamilyBee.com.
Yeah, and we'll be keeping up with blogs on how this is going as well. And don't forget, subscribe so you don't miss the videos coming out. Yeah, there'll be a button right up there. And when you do that,
hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming out and hit all on the notifications.
Because if you don't do that, they actually don't notify you about videos that are coming out.
Click here to watch another video.
We'll be back soon, and until then, don't forget, life is better together.